That's right. Today's hearings capped the very emotional past 3 days in federal court, but now the 6 former law enforcement members have all been sentenced. All of them combined will serve more than 130 years behind bars.
Justice is being enacted in Mississippi.
Joshua Hartfield, the last of 6 Mississippi law enforcement officers, was sentenced Thursday in the torture of 2 black men in January of 2023. He received a 10-year prison term. Of the day's sentencings, Brett McAlpin, the highest-ranking officer on scene that night, was sentenced to more than 27 years.
I think for Mr. McAlpin to be sentenced to more time than the actual person who shot Mr. Jenkins, I fought against that, but unfortunately, you respect the court's rulings when they make a ruling.
As a former Richland police officer, Hartfield was the only defendant who was not a member of the Rankin County Sheriff's Office. According to prosecutors, Hartfield tased the men while they were handcuffed. He also tried to dispose of evidence in the case. His attorneys argued for a lesser sentence, but prosecutors told the court he wanted to work for the Sheriff's Department and applied to work there.
We've been waiting on this for years and ages, and here's a new day for hope.
Prosecutors described McAlpin, a former deputy, as the one calling the shots and as Mafia Don. Eddie Parker, a victim, during his impact statement told the court that he's been waiting to come face-to-face with McAlpin.
The night of January 24, sympathy was only in me and Michael's eyes. Sympathy was the only thing we wanted. Sympathy is what we did not get.
Through the hearing, McAlpin made no eye contact with the victims, but during that night in Braxton, Parker says that he watched the defendant, quote, walk around that house like he was the man. It was also made clear that McAlpin, who lived in the same neighborhood where Parker and Michael Jenkins were tortured, made the initial call to another officer.
Well, I'm so thankful again for Judge Lee. And like I said in there, you can tell he's not a part of the good old boy clan. He's for justice.
4 other deputies learned their fates on Tuesday and Wednesday. The harshest sentence given to Dedman, described as the ringleader in the courtroom. He will serve 40 years. Elward, who shot Jenkins, will serve 20 years, and both Updike and Middleton will serve 17.5 years behind bars.
Never in the history of the United States of America have 6 police officers been given out sentences for harming anyone.
On top of the federal convictions, the 6 also face state charges, which they still await to be sentenced. Live in downtown Jackson at the federal courthouse, Madeline Nolan, 16 WAPT News.